Hello, hello. Today I'm going to walk you through how to read a local rank tracking report. So we're going to be taking a look at this business right here, Sergeant Law. They are a criminal defense attorney in Spokane, Washington. So this is what a local rank tracking report looks like. As you can see, there's a combination of red, orange, yellow, and green dots. There's also gray dots over here at the bottom. Each dot represents how high this business shows up when somebody in that exact area is searching for a particular keyword. For example, if somebody is standing right here, right by the Safeway, and they search up theft lawyer near me, then this business, Sergeant Law, they would show up in position 2. Now, if somebody was standing over here by Fluffy's Donuts, and they search up the same thing, theft lawyer near me, then Sergeant Law would show up in position 13. Which means whoever's searching will need to scroll down past 12 businesses in order to find Sergeant Law. So the goal of local SEO is to turn all of these dots into green dots, because what a green dot represents is position 1, 2, and 3. Once you're in position 1, 2, and 3, you show up in the map pack. And if you're in the map pack, you get anywhere from 60 to 80% of all traffic coming for local search queries. So if somebody is searching for anything plus near me, then whoever's in the map pack gets a majority of those leads. So this is a report for one keyword. I think we ran 8 keywords for this business, so we can take a look at assault lawyer near me. So same story here. They rank in position 5, right in the middle, right by the Safeway, and then you get over here, they rank position 13. So about the same rankings as the previous keyword. Let's take a look at domestic violence lawyer near me. So for this one, they rank very poorly. They rank position 6, right where their business is located, but then outside of that, it's just a sea of red. And then closer to Spokane, they don't show up at all for this particular keyword. And then we can take a look at drug crime lawyer near me. So a little bit better than before. They rank position 1 right where their business is located, and then position 3, position 6 after that. And then once you get outside of their immediate vicinity, then they drop off a ton. And then let's take a look at one more, DUI. So the DUI is a very competitive keyword, especially in this area. As you can see, they're not ranking that well for it at all. Even where their business is located, they rank in position 8. So they're probably not getting a lot of calls for this keyword. Another tool that I like to use is the demographics layer. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see, once this loads, you'll be able to see the population density for each of these areas. So for example, if this was my client, I would be prioritizing this area right here, Nevada Heights, because this is the area that has the most population density, as opposed to somewhere here in like the southeast area where there's still a decent amount of people, but not as dense as this area over here by the west side. Now, if this business was more focused on something like white collar crime, I think we ran a scan for that one as well. Yeah, so if they wanted more white collar crime cases, then I would, instead of focusing on population density, I would go for median income. Now this shifts a little bit. So in this case, you wouldn't want to target around Nevada Heights. You would want to target more so on the east side, so closer to Pasadena Park. If this law firm focused more so on estate planning, wills, trusts, elder law, stuff like that, then I would focus on median age and then set up my targeting that way. So for this one, you would want to kind of optimize your marketing budget more so towards the upper right hand side, as well as Pasadena Park, as opposed to Nevada Heights, because that is a very young population. And then lastly, if they want to target homeowners, they can take a look at the percentage of homeowners and then allocate their marketing budget that way. So all of these tools are super useful. They give you a lot of good information about the demographics of your particular area. So a quick recap. Each of these pins represents how high your business ranks when somebody searches for that keyword in that area. Ideally, you would want all of these to be in the green, which means you're in the top 3, which means you are getting the calls. And then there are also tools like this where you can take a look at the density, median income, percentage of homeowners, as well as median age to find which areas you want to prioritize your marketing efforts. So that's pretty much how you read a local rank tracking scan. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know and I will do my best to answer it. Cheers.